अभी तो मैं निकल रहा हूं, पार्लियामेंट जा रहा हूं और हम लोगों ने पूरा तैयारी की है। आज बहुत अच्छा डिबेट होगा। मैं विश्वास रखता हूं कि हर पार्टी अपना अपना तर्क रखेंगे, लेकिन मुख्य मुद्दा ये है महिलाओं को आरक्षण देना। लोकसभा और विधानसभाओं में भारत के महिलाओं को 33% आरक्षण देना और जनरल सीट से भी महिला चुन के आ सकते हैं, लेकिन 33% रिजर्वेशन देने के बाद इतिहास हो जाएगा। भारत पूरे दुनिया में एक मिसाल कायम करेंगे कि महिलाओं के लिए हम कितना बड़ा कदम उठा रहे हैं। इसमें कोई विरोध होने का आवश्यकता नहीं। दूसरी बात यह कि डिलिमिटेशन या बाकी इशू उठा करके महिला आरक्षण को गिराने का कोशिश नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि डिलिमिटेशन में भ्रम फैलाए जा रहे हैं। किसी को नुकसान होना नहीं है, वो तो क्लैरिफाई हो जाएगा पार्लियामेंट में। मैं अभी आंकड़े डिटेल इसलिए नहीं बता रहा हूं क्योंकि चर्चा हो जाएंगे। आज चर्चा करते समय सारा चीज सरकार की ओर से खुल के आएंगे, लेकिन कुछ पार्टियों ने डिलिमिटेशन को लेकर के दक्षिण भारत वहां में एक गलत तरीका का संदेश फैलाने की कोशिश किया, वो ना करें। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट टुडे इज अ हिस्टोरिक डे। आई एम नाउ गोइंग टू पार्लियामेंट टू पार्टिसिपेट in the women reservation bill. This Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam is historic piece of legislation which will be forever remembered, that Parliament of India has taken this historic decision to provide 33% reservation for the women in the Lok Sabha and in the assemblies of different states. I am very confident that all the parties are going to support, and also to ensure that the long pending women reservation doesn't get defeated. This is a clarion call from Honorable Prime Minister and the women of India. We must be united. So I have one appeal to make to the opposition parties. Please don't spread rumors on delimitation. And on the pretext of delimitation, don't oppose the women's reservation. So the facts and figures about the seats, about the numbers of the Lok Sabha MPs or Vidhan Sabha MLAs, these are details which will be decided by the Delimitation Commission, and the accurate information will be provided in the Lok Sabha during the debate. So I will not be able to give the figure because it is going to be taken up in the House. But I have just very specific appeal to all the opposition party not to spread rumors and don't mislead the people of South India, and also not to misquote or misconstrue the good objective by spinning some other issues. Don't make some excuse to defeat the women reservation. That is my request.
The Tamil Nadu leaders are protesting. We have seen the photos coming.
Yeah.
There are black flags that they are raising.
The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is playing politics and misguided by some people here. Nobody is against the women reservation, but they are going to use some excuse to defeat. That should not be done, because people are not fools. No? People understand. If you want to defeat the women reservation by using some pretext, it will be most unfortunate and sad moment in the annals of Indian history. So the Tamil Nadu or any state should not worry. They should not misguide and mislead the people. That's my appeal. Everything will be cleared today in the Lok Sabha, and every state, every union territory of India need not worry. Everybody will be given a fair chance, representation and opportunities, and there is nothing to worry about. Narendra Modi government is for everyone. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. There will be no injustice to any state, any region.
So why not using your current census that is going on and using it?
That will be informed in the House today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.